Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to fix TikTok not eligible for the For You feed problem. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So once you open your TikTok and post something, if it shows this kind of problem, the reason why you are being ineligible for the For You page, especially if you are doing faceless TikTok, it is because your video isn't original enough. So make sure that you make some small changes in your video which will help you get your video on For You page. You just need to be a bit more creative in your original content, which will allow you to be discovered by many of the users all around TikTok. Or the other way to do so is simply go in the TikTok app, tap in the inbox, and tap the notification that your account is ineligible for recommendation. Once you do this, simply tap on View More and review the ineligible video, then tap on Appeal at the top. After doing this, your appeal will be sent to TikTok and your problem will be resolved. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.